Hi, Adam here. I'm the owner of Vintique Motors, and today I want to do a walk around and a driving video on this 1991 Camaro Z28 1LE that's sitting behind me. So let's check it out. So again, this is a 91 Z28 1LE 5-speed in dark red metallic. I think there were 478 1LEs produced in 91, and about probably half of them had a 5-speed manual. And in order to get the 5-speed, you could not get the 5.7 liter, only the 5.0 liter LB9 engine. It's got 2,300 original miles, just under 2,300 original. Great shine on the paint. We gave this a very in-depth detail with a 2-step polish. Very, very, very glossy. You know, in these walk-around videos, I try to showcase the vehicle's merits and demerits. You know, one of the great merits is the sheen on this paint. It's in fabulous condition. And, you know, we paint metered it. And typical of GM vehicles in this era, they were on the thinner side, but, you know, they were not, you know, these cars were not painted all at one time. They're panel by different techs, you know, back in this era. You know, now today they're all painted, you know, down to a science by robots, and everything is pretty homogeneous. So usually the paint readings on these GM products from this era are anywhere between 2 and 7, you know, possibly 7.5 mils in thickness. You know, once you start getting over that, then you can plausibly believe that it, you know, there's been some sort of repainting or refurbishing. So, but this whole car was everywhere between 2 and 7 mils. I'm sorry, 3 and 7 mils. So it's within the factory realm of what these cars should be original paint wise. You know, blemishes to speak of, they're literally just a couple, I believe. Where was it? Over here on this, I think it was on this door. I mean, you probably can't even see it on the camera. There's just a tiny, tiny little indentation. I mean, I actually didn't even see it until this morning. And I've had the car for, I don't know, 3-4 months. Yeah, January is when I purchased it. And then there was another one over here. Just a very tiny indentation. Let's see, where is it? Right there on the door. I'm not even sure you're going to be able to see it, to be honest with you. But I'll point it out. It is right here. Very tiny. And then I believe, yeah, right here the windshield is delaminating just a little bit. So this was a one-owner car from Nuys, sold at a Chevy dealer in New York, ordered new actually, by the original owner. He owned it until he passed away in 2018, so long-term with the original owner. And then it went to a gentleman in Georgia who kept it for, I believe, about 4 years. And then it went to a second gentleman in Georgia, the third owner. He kept it less than a year. Then it went to a noted collector dealer in Asheville, North Carolina, in which we acquired the car from him. We did put a new headliner, brand new. We used factory GM material. So it's the original color, original material. We also upholstered the sun visors. You know, they were crinkling a little bit and showing their age. So the headliner was sagging a bit. So we just decided to redo both. And they look perfect. Seats are in fabulous shape. The cloth is in great condition. It's got that two-tone light and dark gray. It looks awesome. While we're at it, let's see the odometer. Exact odometer reading is... Zoom in for you. Let me zoom in a little further for you. 2,286 miles. And we'll add a few when we go on our drive. Let's go check out the other side. And no real wear to speak of or blemishes on the interior. The only really thing was this little discoloration in the floor mat. But other than that, nothing. And the carpet's in perfect condition. I mean, as you would expect with a car with 2,300 miles with, 90% of its existence under the fastidious care of an original owner. I just noticed that there's a little paint chip I did not catch yet. Tiny, tiny little one on the hood there. Wheels are in great shape. I believe one wheel had a little bit of delaminating. I think it was probably on passenger rear. Yep, there it is. Just a little bit of delamination happening. That was it. Yeah, that wheel looks great. Let's pop the hood, check it out. There you go. LB9, 5-liter V8. All stock under here, no mods. Just beautiful. Let's go for a drive.